Hi viewers, welcome to Option Trading Ki Duniya. In this episode, let me bring before you the Nifty and Bank Nifty levels for the trading day 5th January 2023. Now only last 1.5 hours critical trade is remaining on expiry day. So how you should position yourself during this critical time. So now Nifty is trading at around 17,911. It has broken down today based on pivot points. So the major resistance now is at around 17,959, and support is so next up support is around 17,663. Before that, we have to think about the double bottom. Double bottom is around 17,800 levels. So now by tomorrow there is a likelihood that Nifty may go to the double bottom, that is 17,800. So on all recovery today in the last 1 hour of trade, sell for lower targets. So that is on Nifty. So now let me come to the Bank Nifty. So that is a Nifty Bank. So Nifty Bank has slightly recovered. Uh, it is so if you see, it is at the very critical point now. So that is 42,445. Now at this juncture, I tell my viewers you can take short position for a targets of 42,200 and even below. By tomorrow, you can see targets very close to 41,704. But today's target is around 42,200, and heavy selling may be there on expiry. So that is the Bank Nifty view. So now let me come to the open interest position. So first, let us see the Bank Nifty open interest. So Bank Nifty heavy uh, call writing at 43. So you can see call writing till 42,400. 42,400 is going to be big resistance, and on the lower side 42,000 uh, put is heavily written. So market will trade between 42,000 to 42,400 on expiry. So expiry can be around 42 200 to 42 300 levels. So you can short at this level for a target of 42 200 based on open interest position. So now next let us see the Nifty open interest. Yeah, Nifty open interest. Yeah, so that is on your screen now. You can see heavy call writing at 18k, and put writing is at around 17,900. Markets may trade between 17,900 to 18,000. If 17,900 breaks, then we can see 17,800. So this is what the open interest suggesting. And what has happened to the change in open interest? See here, change in open interest in Nifty. Yeah. So you see, today many people have purchased calls. Yeah, which means market is going to go lower. So 18,000 call is added, which means sellers are very active at 18,000 call. See, 18,000 put is has gone down, which means people are shorting the market. So people's expectation is market will go lower. And similarly, let us see the change in open interest. Change in open interest in Bank Nifty. So you see, puts are all going down. Puts are all going down. You see, all the puts are down. So you can see call writing. Yeah, call writing is very active. 40 to 400. Yeah, people are writing, and put writing is very less compared to call writing. So expect the market to fall during expire in the next 1.5 hour. So thank you for watching this episode. Disclaimer before I complete my presentation. uh, this analysis is only for educational purpose. If you're using it for trading, please take the help of SEBI certified investment professional. So thank you. Have a nice trading day.